What's going on, guys? Kentucky here. Welcome back to a brand new cryptocurrency video. Today we have a different kind of topic. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, the major cryptocurrency right now, and it was ever going to be like this forever probably. Bitcoin is the #1 currency and has been ever since cryptocurrency was founded. So cryptocurrency right now is sitting at Bitcoin is sitting right now at $9,940. So it's almost hitting that 10,000 mark one more time. It hasn't hit that 10,000 mark ever since. It has been gradually going down. As you can see, last time was here. If we put up the chart on the low date on the last maybe month or something, last time was March 7th. So it has been almost 2 months last time Bitcoin has touched $10,000, and now ever since we are gradually growing up back to that price point. Now a lot of people are asking, will Bitcoin go to 15,000, 20,000, and then maybe hit new all-time highs like 25,000, 30,000, then 50,000, 100,000, so on. So there are a whole bunch of different proper speculations of Bitcoin hitting something like 50 to 100,000, something that people can't really imagine because it's so crazy, like a big number. It's not really possible for something like that to happen because the market cap would be just too big, right? And too much money would have to be put in cryptocurrency for something like that to happen. But realistically, people get these stuff most of the time wrong. They don't really look at the bigger picture of what we've had in the past. Bitcoin started a lot before this price range right here on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin used to cost under like what 20 to 30 cents not too long ago, right? So looking at a growth from 30 cents to almost $10,000, something from 10,000 to 50,000 isn't even that like it's more realistic than seeing a 30 cent to 10,000, right? If I told someone, oh, like a 30-cent coin, like something like Ripple's gonna become a 10,000 coin, or something like Bitcoin's gonna be 50,000 coin, people would think probably Bitcoin is probably could become a 10,000 coin before Ripple would ever do that. Of course, Ripple isn't possible of doing that since it's circulating supply and other technological reasons behind it, but that's besides the point. I'm just trying to put a price comparison to the two coins. Anyway, so Bitcoin hitting something like 10,000. It's gonna happen probably the next 2 days, so it's not really that big of a deal. Bitcoin hitting 20,000, since we are gradually as you can see, like the market is gradually going up. Sometimes we have really good days, sometimes we have days moving sideways, and sometimes we have those days that just maybe go down a couple billion in the market cap in general. But you know what? That's probably the more healthy way to grow our market right now. As you can see here, with our growth so fast, as you can see here, in a month we went from like 500 billion in market, and then we had such a huge dip. People started selling out, people started freaking out. So looking at a more healthy way to grow the market this way, I think this way it might take a bit longer, but I definitely think we'll see a lot more stable coins. And then the more stable coins we see, the longer we'll see the coins last for. So if Bitcoin were to hit $30,000-$40,000, its new normal would be $25,000 to $30,000. It wouldn't go under that anymore. As you can see, Bitcoin didn't go under the $7,000 whatever $6,000 range. It hit, as if we can see its chart here as it loads. Bitcoin hit a bottom, right? It had a support range of 6,800. It didn't go under that, right? So that was its new normal. That was when all its very strong buyers stayed into the coin. They didn't sell off, and we're gonna start seeing more people get into the market that actually understand the market and start holding their coins for real, and they understand how the market works. It's a volatile market. You're gonna see a lot of corrections and a lot of ups and downs, and when there's an up, you should either, if you're a trader, you should sell, and that's a really good time to sell. And you should hold if you're a holder, and when it's on a down market, it's a very good time to buy. It's like discounting. It's like a discount. It's like it's legit telling you you're about to make money in a month. So people that don't understand that are gonna lose money at the end. They think they're trying to do the right thing by saving some of their money instead of losing it all. But at the end, they're gonna see in a month it go up, and it keeps going up and going up and going up, and they keep speculating it, saying it's gonna go back down, and it never goes back down. They lose their chance, and they regret selling their holdings off. And that's what happens with everyone right now. So like I said, everyone here is gonna really look back at Bitcoin right now and wish they bought it at a price it is right now after Bitcoin something like 50 to 100,000, because I definitely think it is going to hit something like that. So if Bitcoin was to hit something like 50 and 100,000, we are going to be looking at a market cap something close to 3-4 trillion, maybe 2.5 trillion, something in that price range. You know, we're definitely gonna hit over the 1.5 trillion to see if Bitcoin really take off in those really crazy numbers. Even though Bitcoin has hit $20,000, that's not something that would be super crazy. Like if it did hit right now $20,000, people would be freaking out. People would be getting back to cryptocurrency. We'd probably see a $1 trillion market cap by then, since so much money is coming into the market so quickly. But I feel like I said, if the market continues to gradually grow like this, I definitely think we're going to see a lot more strong holders, and then we're going to see a lot more stable of a market, because a market is so volatile like it was not too long ago. You know, we're going to see a lot of ups and downs in the market, and you know, no one wants to really see that all the time, right? We had like 3 weeks of just reds and 50% every single day. You know, it was too much, I think, for people to handle. So I don't think we're going to see that for a long time until really a lot of hype comes into the market. Of course we're gonna see a correction if the market is gonna continue to grow like this, even gradually. The market maybe is gonna hit $1 trillion, and then of course correct down maybe to at least 600-700 billion. So that's not something that's gonna ever change. Correction's always gonna happen, especially in a market like this, so new, and it's still you know, building itself up, and you know, such high prices like this. You know, people are gonna keep correcting the market down, and that's what we're gonna see, I think, in the next maybe year and a half with a market like this. So you know, I definitely think you guys should it's a good time to invest in Bitcoin. Maybe it's not the best thing. You guys probably will see a correction soon, but you know, if you guys don't want to risk it, just buy now. That's what I would say. Buy Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin is going to hit $20,000 in the next couple of months. If we don't hit a really big correction, we're gonna see Bitcoin hit $20,000 maybe the end of May, maybe mid June. You know, anything can happen with Bitcoin. The market is growing; it's going very well. Gradual, very safe build up right now on a bull run with AltCoin and Bitcoin. So you know, I think we are doing well so far, and yeah, you know, let me know what you guys think about, of course, down in the comments below. I do get a lot of comments asking me about this kind of stuff and my prediction stuff. Now, I don't want to be fully on it, just saying like, you know, exact prices of what's going to happen in the future. But, you know, I try to get my best predictions out there. You know, my prediction is 20,000 by the end of May, like I said, to mid-June. So keep an eye for that. Let me know if you guys are going to invest in Bitcoin. I definitely am gonna grow my portfolio on Bitcoin. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Peace out.